In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contractor in QuickBooks Online. If you pay independent contractors in your business, it's really important to set them up correctly in QuickBooks Online so you can track what you pay them and easily prepare 1,099 seconds at tax time. I'll walk you through the process, step by step, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks account. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand menu. You're going to start by going to the Expenses section. When you hover over or click on Expenses, you'll see an option called Vendors. Go ahead and click Vendors. This is where QuickBooks keeps a list of all the people and companies you pay, including your contractors. Once you're on the Vendors page, look for a button that says New Vendor, usually near the top right of the screen. Click on New Vendor to open up a blank vendor profile. This is the form where you'll enter your contractor's information. Now, fill in the contractor's details. Enter the contractor's display name as you want it to appear on checks and reports. Add their business name if they have one, along with their email address and mailing address, so you can send them purchase orders or year-end forms if needed. You can also include a phone number and any notes that might be helpful, like the type of work they do. The more accurate this information is, the easier it will be to reference later and to keep your records clean and organized. Next, look for the section related to 1,099 seconds. You should see a checkbox that says something like, Track payments for 1,099. This is very important for contractors. Make sure you check this box. By turning this on, you're telling QuickBooks that payments to this vendor may need to be reported on a 1,099 form, which helps you stay compliant with tax reporting requirements. If you forget this step, you might miss them when you run your 1,099 reports at the end of the year. After you've confirmed all the details look correct and the 1,099 tracking box is checked, you're ready to save the contractor profile. Click the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. QuickBooks will add this contractor to your vendors list, and from now on, you can select them whenever you enter expenses, bills, or payments related to their work. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up a contractor in QuickBooks Online, and you're ready to start tracking their payments properly.